Now, are you an overachieving sales pro with an itching, burning desire to have breakout results in sales this year? Are you ready to earn $100,000, $200,000, $600,000 or more a year in sales? Hi, I'm Wendy Stevens, and I've developed winners to create those kind of sales results countless times. The question is, do you have what it takes to create those kind of peak performances and finally make the real money? Now, if you're dead serious about making that kind of a sales income this year in sales for a company or making sales in your own business, you and I know you can't just get there by winging it or trying harder. I know what that's like because my first year in sales, I made a paltry $36,000. That is gross. That's why I studied, learned, and developed a sales system that very same year. So the next year, my income jumped over $600,000. And before rounding out my second year in business, I was knocking down and bringing home $1.2 million to my bank account and my family. Not gross, that's net. Now, most people would say I was lucky, right? Well, they don't have a clue. It took all-out massive action and nonstop dedication to working my sales system to make it happen. Now, once I taught my growing sales team how to do things my way, their results took off too, and many of those aces achieved great results, record earning sales. But not all of them though. Only the strong self-starters, the motivated, the ambitious go-getters. And just to prove that it wasn't a fluke, I pulled off 7 figures my first year in my second business too. So I know how to do this. And I know that you can do this. And I know that I can show you how to do this. I believe that winners have it in them to create great results at any age. Sometimes it's simply learning the new rules of a new game. My sales and prospecting methods are designed to maximize your talent and your results. But please don't waste my time, and I won't waste yours. If you don't really have the goods, I'll know it right away. So click on the button below this video and we'll see if you have what it takes.